CB passive income is one of the easiest ways to start making passive income online, especially for newbies. This system was created by world-class internet marketer Patrick Chan. In this review video, you're going to learn how you can easily make money online with CB passive income system. But first, I have to explain how most internet marketers do money online before we continue with CB passive income. So how do most internet marketers make money? Well, usually, in order to make money online and build a long-term online business, most marketers build an email list and focus all their marketing efforts and promotions on their email list subscribers. This diagram shows a simplified example. You may think that this is a simple process to apply. However, it's far from the truth, especially for newbies. Why? I'll try to explain this diagram in details. Squeeze page. This page is purposely built to capture email addresses of interested people. Now, normally this is done by excluding all forms of distractions such as links, sidebars, buttons, footer section, etc., and by offering an ethical giveaway like a free ebook, video, or report that someone will only receive after they give their email address and sometimes their first and last name away. Building a highly converting squeeze page is not easy. Often most internet marketers need to purchase tools like lead pages or ClickFunnels in order to build a squeeze page that looks professional. Email sequence. If that wasn't enough, then you have to have an autoresponder set in place, for example, Aweber, so you can automatically send emails to your new subscribers. You certainly don't want to do all this work manually, otherwise you wouldn't have time to do anything else. The emails also must be carefully written so your subscribers will read them and, more importantly, purchase your affiliate offers. Right offers. Furthermore, you must choose the right affiliate offers to promote to your subscribers. Otherwise, your subscribers won't buy from you and thus won't make you any money. As you may see, this process involves a lot of work to pull it off successfully. However, imagine that you wouldn't need to have any marketing skills in order to make money online. You do not need any experience in building a squeeze page, an email list. Even you don't need to choose the right offers to promote. Instead, imagine you already have all of this done for you. With CB Passive Income, when you join CB Passive Income, you will get pre-made, high-converting squeeze pages and the respective autoresponders built for you. All you need to do is send traffic to these squeeze pages. Afterwards, the subscribers are taken through an email sequence. And whenever the subscriber purchases a product promoted in one of these emails, you will earn a commission. As I said, all you need to do is send traffic to these squeeze pages. Besides, if you're worried about how to get traffic, then don't worry. You will find all the necessary information inside of their platform. How to make money with CB Passive Income. In order to make money with CB Passive Income, you must promote your pre-made squeeze pages. If your subscriber purchases an affiliate offer promoted through that email sequence, then you earn a commission. After you have a free ClickBank account, you must get your ID. The ID is a piece of code that makes the ClickBank link your private link. Then you must enter into CB Passive Income and click on My Profile section. Here, you must add your ClickBank ID to that respective field. This way, all the offers sent through email will be your affiliate link. Thus, you earn a commission because people are buying through your affiliate link. CB Passive Income Squeeze Pages. You must go to your unique link inside of CB Passive Income. Here you will find several squeeze pages that you may promote. These squeeze pages are mostly in the making money online niche in addition to other niches. You must choose an offer, a squeeze page, to promote. Next, you will get your unique link. This is the link that you need to send traffic to. Generate traffic to your squeeze pages? You can utilize free or paid traffic. Both of these traffic methods are explained in details inside of CB Passive Income. Anyway, I'll give you a brief explanation for both methods. Free traffic. If you are under a tight budget, then you can start building your email list with free traffic. However, this is more time-consuming and slower compared to paid traffic. Free traffic methods include YouTube videos, where you mention your unique link in the description and throughout your video. Blog, promoting your link throughout your content and in sidebar banners. Now, paid traffic. If you have some money to invest, then paid traffic is ideal. The fact is, you can see results overnight. This includes solo ads. This consists on sending a promotion message to someone's email list. Bing ads. Bing ads are fairly cheap. Just for a few cents, you can get highly targeted traffic to your offers. CB Passive Income provides excellent video tutorials explaining all you need to know of paid traffic. What about upsells? Well, after you get CB passive income, you are taken through a funnel where you will find this upsell, Inbox Pro version. This upsell allows you to build your own email list using your own autoresponder system, not inside CB passive income. This means that you'll have your own list even if you leave CB passive income. So I highly recommend this upsell. Final words. If you want to start making money online or simply build an extra source of income, but do not have the essential marketing skills, then CB passive income is the best solution, especially for beginners. Thank you so much for being so nice for watching this video. If you already tried this system, please leave a comment below. I hope that, with my honest review about CB passive income, you now have a good idea about it and learned how it can make a great shortcut in making money online, even if you're a total newbie. To try the system today, risk-free, please click the link below. And don't forget, your investment is covered with a solid 30-day money-back guarantee. You can ask for a full refund if you are not satisfied. So go ahead and click the link below.